Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing good. So friend, in today's video I'm preparing a very healthy recipe in which I'm preparing soy grilled chicken, which is really very healthy. You can have it in your dinner as a protein diet or wherever you feel hungry but you don't want to put in fats. So for that I have washed 2 chicken breasts which are over here, and I've taken 3 teaspoons of garlic. This will give a very nice aroma and flavor to your dish. Also 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, which is healthy, and again I have taken a black peppercorn crusher and some salt we'll be using. I have taken pink Himalayan salt for this recipe. So now let's start with the recipe. We'll put a little bit of cuts on our chicken breast so that our marination can go inside it. So as you can see the cuts that we have put in. So now you can open it and you can put in the marination inside it. Now dropping in garlic paste. Don't put ginger, I'm just using garlic paste for this recipe. Also some salt. If you're trying to lose weight, have less amount of salt, because otherwise salt actually retains water in our body. Now putting in lots of black pepper because this will give that tinge to our recipe. And now dropping in soy sauce and mixing everything well. You can use a spoon but I prefer my own hands. Changing the side. Nicely allow marination to go into the cuts, and we'll marinate for about 2 to 3 hours. If you are like in a hurry, then you can marinate for about just half an hour also. Keep it in a refrigerator. Now we'll mix everything really well and we'll change its side also while marinating so that the other side also gets marinated well. As you can see, I've marinated both the sides. Cuts on the another side also, which we left earlier, and then marinated well. Now marination is done. Now covering it with a lid and putting in the fridge. You can use a cling film also. So now I am putting it in fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. See you after that. Over here is my griller into which I'll be grilling my chicken breast. You can do it on a skillet also as per your liking. Once you see those golden brown lines on the chicken breast, that means they are fully cooked. Also the color changes from pink to white color, so make sure you are eating a fully cooked chicken. Now I'll be putting in the chicken breast. Friends, here you go, your grilled chicken is ready, and have it with crunchy cold lettuce as well as some onions, carrot or whatever veggie that you like with it to go it with like a salad. So I really hope that you like my recipe. If you do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like to this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.